Hello children, how are all of you doing today? Are you ready to start learning? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Fantastic. Do you remember the name of the story we talked about last time? What was it called? It was called A Loud Noise. Children, now would you like to read the story with me? Wonderful. I will read a line from the story and you will repeat that line after me. Let's start. A loud noise. Boom, boom, boom. It was a loud noise. Who was making that noise? The insects want to know. The bee came out to look. The grasshopper hopped out to look. The butterfly woke up to look. Soon, the ants crawled out to look. There is no one around. It must be the elephants walking to the pond. Say the ants. Did you enjoy reading that story together? Great! Children, let's play a game with the words that we know how to read. I am going to say a word and you are going to find that word on the screen. Shall we start? Can you find the word soon? There it is. Find the word must. Oh, it's there. Can you find was? Look, It's there. What about the word that? Ah, it's here. Can you find the word look? Look, it's there. Let's do the last word. Can you find to? There it is. Children, were you able to find all the words correctly? Give yourself a big clap if you were. If you found some a little difficult, don't worry. As you keep trying, you will soon be able to find all the words correct.